Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Ducky One 3 TKL mechanical keyboard. This compact 80% keyboard promises a lot, but does it deliver? Let's find out. The Ducky One 3 TKL is marketed as a mechanical keyboard designed for enthusiasts who value a great typing experience. It comes in a variety of colorways, although opinions on its aesthetics are mixed. What caught my attention right away is its hot swappable switches and vibrant RGB lighting effects. Starting with build quality, the Ducky One 3 TKL impresses with its sturdy construction and ergonomic design. It's slightly larger than some other TKL keyboards, measuring 14.5 by 5.5 by 1.5 inches and weighing just over 32 ounces. The keyboard features PBT double-shot keycaps, which are durable and offer a satisfying typing feel. Now, let's talk about the typing experience. Equipped with Cherry MX mechanical switches. Specifically the clicky Cherry MX Blue in my review unit, typing on the Ducky One 3 TKL is a joy. The keys are responsive, with good tactile feedback that makes typing both comfortable and efficient. Moving on to RGB lighting, the Ducky One 3 TKL doesn't disappoint. It offers colorful RGB effects that can be customized directly on the keyboard using key combinations though, unfortunately. There's no companion software for easier customization. However, the Ducky One 3 TKL isn't without its drawbacks. One major issue is the lack of wireless connectivity, which might deter users looking for a clutter-free setup. Moreover, there's no dedicated software for macro recording or advanced customization, which makes these tasks more cumbersome than they should be. For macOS users, compatibility is another concern. The keyboard lacks full macOS support, with limited functionality. For essential Mac shortcuts and no easy way to update firmware, a significant inconvenience for Apple enthusiasts. In conclusion, the Ducky One 3 TKL is a solid mechanical keyboard with impressive build quality and a fantastic typing experience, thanks to its Cherry MX switches and ergonomic design. However, its lack of wireless connectivity and companion software might be deal breakers for some users, especially those on macOS. That wraps up our review of the Ducky One 3 TKL. If you're in the market for a reliable mechanical keyboard and don't mind its wired nature and software limitations, this could be a great choice for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth product reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.